pressure is spiking again at intake 2.
I see it. Adjusting the feed rate now.
The moisture levels are fluctuating too much on the right side. We need to stabilize the raw material flow.
I'm adjusting washing.
The final stage of quality control involves a magnetic separation sequence, where powerful overhead electromagnets.
The routing is successful, the flow rate is steady.
Confirmed. Pressure levels are optimal.
Precisely measured amounts of milk of lime are injected into the hot sugarcane juice stream via high-precision metering pumps.
The segregation from the main line is complete here.
And the moisture content is spot on for the boiler.
For it. The clear, amber clarified sugarcane juice enters the first effect of this multi-stage evaporator system, beginning.
The vacuum level is stable at 65 kilopascals.
Good. Ensure the steam input remains precise for uniform growth.
The dense massiquate is pumped from holding tanks through reinforced pipes towards high-speed centrifugal machines.
Check the temperature on tank 3.
Stable at 8 proceeding with dissolution. The speed cycles are holding steady at optimal levels.
Yes, the purity readings look excellent. We are ready for the next phase.
The sugar crystals are fed into large, vibrating fluid bed dryers, where hot air reduces the
The molasses is pumped into high-temperature evaporators to reduce water content. The dark brown liquid vigorously...
Dosing pumps are stable and within range.
The mixing speed is optimal. We are cleared for transfer.
Tank level 4 is stable at 90%.
Acknowledged. Maintaining temperature at 35 Celsius.
Heavy-duty forklifts lift and transport the sealed IBC totes of industrial-grade molasses feed from the packaging area out to the factory's exterior logistics yard.
A specialized mixer combines industrial-grade molasses feed with dry ingredients and stabilizers to create dense, a quantity of industrial-grade molasses feed is mixed in, acting as a dust suppressant and energy source.
A small, mobile dispensing unit pulls a trail of industrial-grade molasses feed onto the ground in a remote...
Industrial-grade molasses feed is mixed into a specialized aquatic feed formulation for large-scale tilapia farming operations.
practice. As the global demand for high-quality protein rises, industrial-grade molasses feed